Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print your your slide on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select that one document that you would like to print out. Just simply tap on the three dots icon next to that, next to its title of your chosen document. Then scroll down till you find the print option down below. Tap on it. And now you need to select your printer that you have connected or turned on. Then you need to select how many copies do you want to make by tapping on this plus icon if you want to print more than one copy. And you can also select whether you would like to print out all pages, or you can select which pages you want to print out, for example, from number 6 to number 11. If you are done with setting all these, as you can see, you can view which pages you are going to print out. If you are done with adding all these steps, tap the button print in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.